How to make Google default search engine in Chrome. If you want to make Google default search engine in your Chrome, follow these steps. Firstly, open the Chrome web browser on your device. After opening Chrome, at the bottom right corner, you will see a three-dot icon. Click on it. When you do that, then this kind of menu will open. In order to make Google default search engine on your Chrome, you will need to access settings. Now if you are using an Android device, then you will need to click on the three-dot icon at the top right corner and select the option settings. However, if you are using iOS, then click on the settings option. Now this kind of menu will open. On this menu, you will clearly see the option for search engine. Click on it. Now as you can see, it has already been set to Google. If it's not set to Google on your device, then click on Google. After it's done, click on Done at the top right corner to save your changes. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.